Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach, and recently we paid a little visit to Pelican Lake on our travels. We had a few coaches open and wanted to just take an early morning walk with you and show you what this park has to offer and all of the beauties and amenities that it has. And you can see behind me, it's a beautiful tropical view. So come along for our walk. Doing a little sailboat racing here.